Tips for school administrators to motivate their teachers. In this series of short tips, we would love to help administrators to learn how to support their teacher and help them to excel. Tip 3. How to make teachers spectacular. Every teacher chooses this profession because they love students and they want to make a difference in their lives. But there are times, even for the most dedicated teacher, when the calling can seem more like a job. Students can be unruly, parents can be aggravating, and grading can be overwhelming, not to mention high-stakes tests. These challenges have the potential to steal the joy from teachers, but they don't have to. It is important for administrators to help teachers keep these challenges in perspective. So follow our tips for good administrators.